What is going on YouTube? In this episode of Behind Each Film Grain, I'm going to take you through my process shooting commercial photography. I've been working with this brand company, Prodigy Promos is the name, and they've hired me out today to do some product shoots. Let's do this. Okay guys, let's talk about the camera in hand. The Sony A7RII Mark II with the Sigma adapter and the 35 or 16-35 L lens Canon. I use this for the shoot specifically because it is a paid shoot, and so with this combination, if you guys don't know, I like adapting lenses to whatever body camera that I decide to use. In this episode, I'm going to shoot this because I forgot, well, a lot of it has to do with the timing. Shooting for product photography or for this company was very time consuming. I didn't have a chance to do any behind the scenes, but you get and you see some of the images here that I've taken with the camera in natural light, and then following with the natural light, we're going to go into flash photography. Hope you enjoyed this short session of my shooting. I am a hybrid shooter, just so you're aware, and then we'll just go from here. Look at the images that I was able to produce and share with you. Like this, it is flash photography, and maybe it's a little bit overblown in some of the images here. But for the most part, it looks cool. I like it. I kind of like that overexposed look, but the art director was with me at the time when we shot this, and so he just left it up to me on how I wanted to shoot and just kind of explore my perspectives. And so with that, I will probably be uploading these images, giving it to the art director for his use, and then go from there, and hopefully we get most of the shots. Okay guys, I'm shooting natural light right now. The light is coming from the east side and we're shooting on the west side. Makes it a little bit more challenging, but at the same time, if you master the lighting in terms of shooting when and where and how, that is going to be your advantage. Take advantage of that. It's 9:48 now, so we started here at around 8:30. Started off cleaning the products, steaming them because they're all wrinkled. A lot of these are shirts, products that shooting for the companies that this company is representing, their brand names and whatnot. And so we just wanted to show off something different, something unique, and make it more interesting. And so this building has that potential to make that look the way we're thinking in our head. So we're just kind of going off where the light is and taking advantage of it. So stay tuned. Let's see what we can come up with and go from there. let's pause a little bit and talk about what we're shooting. Notice the light is still coming from the east side of the building, and I'm sitting on some stairs leading to another level of natural light. Guys, shooting with the Sony A7R Mark II with the Canon adapted Sigma adapter to Canon, and it shoots really nice. Guys, so with that being said, I haven't had a chance to pull out my analog photography cameras, only because this is a paid shoot and I'm shooting for these guys. Prodigy Promos. I love this building. Natural light coming through. You can see it through my glasses here. Sun rays shining through, and it's a gorgeous day. This has been planned and has been in the making. Finally getting back shooting at Prodigy Promos. Thank you for allowing me to take this time to help with you on your photography and product shooting. With that said, I haven't had a chance to show you some of the behind the scenes footage. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. Again, it is a photo shoot, and I already asked for permission to make this video, taking you along with me on this photo shoot. So you can see some of the products there, and then of course some of the products here. You can see that right there. But anyways, I left him a gift. This photo was shot back in the day, probably 2000, long time ago. Anyways, let me show you. Yeah, this right here. That is my good friend Jason. He's the CEO. He hired me out to do these shoot. Actually, the art director, Jared, you might have seen him here in the background. He's the one that hired me to do all these photo shoots for him. So we're just exploring and seeing what else I can come up with. More products. Haven't had a chance to shoot because of the COVID stuff, right? So anyhow, gosh, there's so much to shoot with, and I'm always scouting out locations to shoot, primarily with the Sony, because I like how easy it is, and I have a lot of lenses that I use with my Sony, and I have a lot of adapters. So guys, if you aren't familiar with my work, I do a lot of adapting lens adapters for both my analog and for my digital work, such as this work. So anyways, thanks for joining me, and I appreciate those who have been following me and supporting me. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Your thoughts, your feelings on whether it's digital or analog. Guys, it's all the same to me. It's just a matter of how you go about it. These are tools, and don't get caught up in the game of shooting analog only, shooting digital only. Use the tools that you have, make it so that you can get paid to do what you want to do. And if it's just a hobby, that's great. This is both hobby and work for me, and I enjoy it. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next episode. I appreciate your likes, comments, follows, all that fun stuff, and we'll see you then.